Princess Cruises is making huge changes to their insurance program. This is really going to impact the way that you need to think about insurance, and I want you to warn you about a few things with these changes, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Friday. It is November 21st of 2025. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, will you please be sure to click on that subscribe button? And if you appreciate my updates, please give this video a thumbs up. Now, like I said, Princess is making big changes to their insurance. For a really long time now, Princess has had their standard Princess Vacation Protection plan as well as their Platinum plan. The lovely thing is if you were Platinum or Elite with Princess, you got to go ahead and pay the standard price and get the Platinum protection. Amazing perk. People loved that loyalty perk with Princess. So clear up until December 9th, any cruise that you book through, late at night on December 8th is still going to have those options. You'll be able to pick the standard plan, the Platinum plan, do it like we've always done. Starting December 9th, we are going to have huge changes. And by the way, this exactly mirrors what Holland America's insurance and everything looks like. I'm not crazy about it, but we've got that new president over here at Princess Cruises from Holland America, and we're seeing a lot more things that come from Holland America. So first off, what's this going to look like? First up, standard vacation protection is going away. That standard plan is not going to even be available. So if you want actual travel insurance, you're going to need to get that Platinum insurance. The perk is going to go away. So if you are Platinum or Elite with Princess Cruises, you're going to be paying that Platinum price. No price break for people thus far, unless they decide to announce something, which I don't think would be a bad idea. No perks, no cost savings if you are Platinum or Elite. That has been announced at this point. The next thing you need to know, they are going to, right now you can get an at-ease waiver, and generally those waivers were used by people who lived in states that could not get Princess insurance. So that was based on the laws of the state that they lived in, not on a Princess thing. And so if you could not get that, some people did get that waiver. Okay, it's called an at-ease waiver. They are changing that now. It's going to be called, I want to make sure, Cancellation Protection. They're going to call it that, and it's a new program that is only cancellation insurance. That's the only thing it covers, okay? So if you are not familiar, once you make final payment for your cruise, the closer you get to your cruise, the more of your money that you lose. So the way the cancellation protection program is going to work is as long as you cancel your cruise at least 72 hours before your cruise or part of that trip starts, then you can get your money refunded except for the money that you paid for the cancellation protection program. It's like insurance from the standpoint that if you buy an insurance policy and then you use that insurance policy for a trip, you don't get your money back. And so the thing to keep in mind though is that 72-hour cutoff applies to when your first part booked starts. So if you booked your air through Princess, you booked a pre-Princess, like a cruise tour, like pre-cruise hotel, something like this, you have to make sure that you cancel at least 72 hours before any of that starts. That's what the rule is. And so this is truly, it's not travel insurance, it's just cancellation insurance. And I am really excited. I'm going to be keeping my eye on December 9th to see if they make changes to the Platinum Vacation Protection as well, because historically it has included the cancellation protection and your like accident protection, your medical insurance, your emergency evacuation, your trip interruption, all of that was included. I hope that it is still there. But remember, when you look at that, it's gonna be cheaper just to get that cancellation protection. Keep in mind, it is only cancellation protection. You don't get any insurance on your trip for anything, okay? Huge change. Now, I have a lot of thoughts about what we need to do about this, and I actually am pretty good at this from the standpoint, I'm not a licensed insurance broker. I don't sell insurance, but I have had enough experience to tell you the things that you need to think about when you're thinking about getting your travel insurance. And let me tell you, you should be thinking about getting your travel insurance because a lot of unexpected things happen. We've had 2 medical emergencies just on this 7-day cruise that we're on. We're on day 5 right now, I think it is, and you never know what is going to happen. So whether you think you're too healthy for something to happen, you think you have too much money for something to happen that's going to bother you, you need to have travel insurance for a lot of different reasons. So I'm going to do a separate video and tell you about those reasons. So be sure to put your questions about these changes that Princess is going to do in the comments, so I'm sure to cover what your questions are when I do the video. Huge change, and I can't emphasize that enough. A lot of things come into play here people don't even realize, and going forward I'll try to tell you what I can, but I have a lot of experience with this with Holland America, and I'm not crazy about these plans, not at all. So yeah, we'll be talking about insurance again another day and what you need to know. The other thing, this is a big deal to me. More and more people are telling me that their excursions are being canceled on their cruise. Not only people that have their cruise booked with me, but people that just write in and say, you know what, my excursion was canceled. I had it booked, I paid for it, it's gone. And like, where did it go? I didn't get a notification that it had been canceled. And now I don't have an excursion in that port. This is widespread. So what I need you to do going forward, and I have looked and some of ours have been canceled, and I have not received any notification either as a guest or as the travel agent. Okay, they don't send those for excursions. I wish they would, but they don't. And so make sure, keep an eye on your excursions. It's not like we all didn't have enough to do anyway. I know we're busy, but routinely check to make sure that all your excursions are there. I did a video not long ago showing you how to do a travel summary, how to print that and look at it. Go back and find that video. I'll ask Gordon to link it here for you. But look at your travel summary often. Go into the excursions when you log into a computer. I know it's hard to do it in the app, and see what your excursions are that you actually have booked, and make sure you have everything booked that you thought you had. That is a really big deal. And drop a comment if this has happened to you before, what you did about it. I do know that some people have had their excursion canceled just because there was a little bit of a time change and then the price was way up. I don't like that approach to things, but that has been happening some, so let us know what has happened to you in the comments. Last thing, this morning Gordon tried it, and sure enough, it looks like the phone numbers are finally working in the app again. Also drop in the comments if you have tried your phone number, saving your phone number in the app that you've had trouble before. That glitch has been lasting, like, golly, I want to say a month. It's been a really long time that we've had that glitch going. And so let us know if it's working for you, but it's finally working for us. So I'm really excited. Maybe we can manage to be green laned. I don't know. But at least our phone number will be in the app by the time we go on our Antarctica cruise in January. It is such a pleasure to be here with all of you. We are still here on the beautiful Regal Princess. Today was a sea day. We have tomorrow as a sea day, and then we disembark on Sunday and go home. So it's been an absolutely fantastic cruise. I love the Regal Princess. I would sail anywhere on the Regal Princess. Really enjoy this ship a lot, and the people in our group have made this cruise what it is. We just love all of you. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.